Hello, today I have for you a recipe for instant mini pizzas, perfect for a party, as a snack for lunch or dinner. Be sure to make them because they taste delicious hot or cold, and preparation will take you a short while. I present a list of necessary ingredients. The list can also be found under the video description. I also added a link to my blog under the video where you can find all of my recipes. In a bowl, pour 3 cups of wheat flour, or you can use pizza flour, then a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of oil. Then prepare a cup of warm milk. Make sure it's not hot. Crumble 40 grams of fresh yeast and mix it to dissolve in the milk. Then pour everything into the bowl and knead the dough. The dough should be smooth and elastic. If it's sticky, you can sprinkle a bit of flour. I set the prepared dough aside in a bowl, literally for 10 minutes, during which time I prepare and cut the ingredients, but if you didn't set this dough aside, nothing would happen at all. After this time, divide the dough into 16 more or less equal parts. If you would like to weigh it, it's approximately 60 grams for one pipette. Then lay out baking paper, flatten each piece of dough. I baked it twice because obviously they rise a bit more. They'll grow so they don't stick together. I spread ketchup on each piece of pecorina. You can also use passata or tomato paste. I sprinkled the whole thing with herbes de Provence, then sprinkled it with cheese. For this portion, I prepared 200 grams of mozzarella, then my favorite toppings. In my case, it's peppers, salami, mushrooms, red onion, and cherry tomatoes. I cut everything, then put it on the picorinki and baked the whole thing at 200 degrees, top, bottom, without fan for about 10 minutes or until it is properly browned. As you can see, instantly delicious. Prepare necessarily in the children's version. You can simply prepare margaritas with only cheese. Prepare necessarily, they taste delicious. They are soft. You can reheat them the next day. So I recommend them and wish you a happy new year.